How to change iPhone color back to normal on iOS 26. Do you have an irregular color on your iPhone? Then you can easily correct this by switching it back to normal. Tap on settings, then go back to accessibility, tap on it. Then from here, scroll down until you see display and text size. Then under display and text size, scroll down until you see button called color filter, tap on it. If this button is on, tap on it to toggle it off. Now, go back here, go back from here again, and go back to the main menu from here. Tap on display and brightness. Tap on it. So now, make sure that you come over to this true tone. You can use this true tone to suit your purpose. You can as well tap on it to toggle it off. You can see. Don't forget as well, you can tap on this night shift to adjust this, or you can as well tap on schedule to schedule the next shift. You can as well manually enable until tomorrow. So this has to do with your discretion. That's all the simple process, guys, on how to return your iPhone screen to normal color. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.